Hello and Namaste. Welcome to Creative Hub AJ. Today we are going to make a brochure in Canva, a trifold brochure. So let's get started. In Create a Design section, we will search for brochure and you have to choose this first one for the trifold, and you get a ready-made ruler here so you can differentiate the three sections here. You can choose any of the ready-made available here and edit it and use it. So let's get started. In the element section, I am going to search for square. So today I am going to make a brochure, a sample brochure for my client. So I have choose the square and arrange it like this, and I am going to change the color to dark brown so that it will give a really nice vibe of that coffee shop. So I am choosing this one. Yeah, perfect. Now I will duplicate this and will change the color to light brown to giving it a really contrast effect like this. Now we will add the other elements. Like in the element section, I will search for coffee beans, or something like this. Iced coffee with cream in a tall glass. If you search by this name, you will get this image, coffee cup clip art. If you search by this name, we will get this. You can add whatever image you like. Suppose in the element section you will choose for coffee, you will get in the photos section or in the graphics section many such amazing coffee pictures. You can use it, or if you have the real pictures also, you can use it. And on searching take away coffee cup, you will get this image. Now you can give the drip effect to here. Now I will duplicate this and use it here. This effect is the drip effect. If you search by the name corner melted cream illustration, you will get it and you can change the color. And now I am choosing milk chocolate fluid splash illustrated. Now I am using milk chocolate fluid splash illustration, and we will layer it to backward like this. Coffee beans, you can add it, decor it accordingly. You can decor it as per as your creativity and the requirements. So I am just using some random coffee beans and other structures, other elements here like this, and we'll change the color to dark brown to match to our theme like this. Now we have the cup of hot coffee illustration and we will change its color to white. And here on the upper side we will use the logo of that cafe. And in the effect section, if we go to the curve, we can curve it and give a very nice look. In the element section, you can search for location icon, and you will get some amazing icons and you can use it like this. You can add the location, mail, or any social media accounts here. Just for example, I am using some random stuff like this. You can add the other details also, and here we will add the menu and other details. Like this you can add the tagline or other stuff here. So our fantastic brochure is ready. So we will name the design and we will download it from here. In the share and the download, our suggested format is PNG, although you can take in any form. As per suggested, I am using the PNG form and we will download. So this is the demo brochure so that I can explain you how to do it, and after that you can add the real images and other amazing stuff as per as your creativity, and the amazing brochure is ready. So our next step is I will put these images into the mockups so that I can show you how actually it can be looked. So for the mockups you can use the Canva here, and in the apps, as Canva is the most simplest one, so we are using it. And in this, if you scroll down, you will get the mockup option in the all apps section, and if we choose this one, this is the trifold brochure, so that I can show you how it actually looks. In the select section, we will upload our designs. It is uploaded, and then you have to select, and then we can adjust the image. So from here we can save it. There is another free site, that is Pacdora, where you can get the free templates here. Now this will look like this. You can see it will look like this and open like this. Look how beautiful it is looking. You can print it out and use it for your coffee shops. For many such amazing content, please do subscribe to Creative Hub AJ. Stay tuned for many amazing stuff. Thank you.